Hello, this is Online Q's YouTube channel for your online queries. In this video, I will be showing how you can deactivate or delete your Coffee Meets Bagel account. Maybe you found someone already, or you want to take a break from finding a partner, or you want to move to another platform. Whatever might be the reason, you can decide to deactivate or delete your account anytime you want. First, open the app and then tap on your profile picture at the top left. Then tap on Settings. Now under Account, toggle the Active option off. Then confirm and select the reason for deactivating your account. Tap Done. This will pause or deactivate your account unless you choose to sign in and reactivate again. But if you want to completely delete your account, then tap on Delete Account link at the bottom. Then confirm and select the reason for deleting your account. Your Coffee Meets Bagel account will be permanently deleted. You cannot reactivate your account, however you can sign up with the same email address and username. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.